The first remedy that we are going to see for fever is arsenic album, where the ailments is from dry, cold winds, hot days, and cold nights, getting wet, such as can be seen in Dalkamara and Rostock, suppressed perspiration by uncovering by fright. Arsenic album patient will experience a chill stage where is ascent from feet to chest with internal heat and sensation of hot water in the head, chilly when uncovered or even touched, chilliness on the slightest movement, even by lifting of bedclothes, which can be seen in Nux vomica. Coldness with redness and heat of one, coldness and paleness of the other cheek, which can be also been seen in chamomile and ipecac. Chill with one hot cheek, contracted pupil, anxiety or body chilly with red face, hot cheeks, hot forehead and ear lobules, face hot, hands and feet cold. In heat stage of arsenic album, there will be thirst and toward evening, dry heat in the face with anxiety, high fever, dry burning heat which extends from head and face, burning heat with chilly shiverings running up the back. They have great fear, nervous excitability, restlessness and anxious tossing about. Red face while lying and pale face and fainting when rising up. They have great thirst for large quantities of water and everything else tastes bitter. Remedies that have thirst for large quantities in every stage are bryonia and natrium mu, and ipecac have only thirst during heat. Cannot bear to be covered, yet fears to be uncovered, can be seen also in camper and also Secale core. The sweat stage in arsenic album must be covered as soon as sweat begins. Covered or affected parts sweat most profusely, such as in Antimonium tataricum, or perspiration only on site on which he lies, which can be seen also in Chincona and also nitric acid. Sweat on single parts can only be seen in bryonia. Profuse warm perspiration over whole body by which nervous excitability, restlessness, and anxiety are relieved. Sweat brings relief of all sufferings can be seen in natriureticum. A characteristic symptom of arsenic album in fever is strawberry tongue. The second remedy is baptisia. Type of fever it covers is the typhoid fever. Prodrome in baptisia is great languor, wants to lie down, general malaise, feels weak, tremulous as after severe illness. They feel sore and bruised. In chill stage, they feel chilly all days, whole body feels sore and bruised, which can also be seen in Arnica montana. Chills up and down the back, which can be also seen in gelsemium, over the back and limbs, over the back while sitting by the fire, on going into the open air with severe etching in muscle of whole body. Heat stage in baptisia covers flushes of heat from small of back in all direction, which can be also seen in gelsemium, over the face, over the whole body at 3 a.m. with feeling as if sweat will break out, uncomfortable burning all over surface, especially face, as if sweat will break out, cannot go to sleep because she cannot get herself together, feels scattered about and tosses about to get the pieces together, thought she was 3% and could not keep them covered. Stupor, falls asleep while being spoken to, in the midst of his answer. Sweat stage are not profuse, and the tongue is white with red edges, brown streak down center. The next remedy for fever is bryonia. Ailments from caused by getting wet, such as can be seen in Calcarea and Rostock, in dry weather together hot or cold. Prodrome for bryonia includes great thirst of large quantities of cold water, violent headache, stitching, jerking, throbbing as if the head will burst, and in vertigo. Chill stage of bryonia covers symptoms such as with great thirst for large quantity of cold water which afford relief, where we can compare it with other remedies with unquenchable thirst are Ignatia and Nedmore, where unquenchable thirst drinks little and often but drinking causes vomiting, such as in arsenic album. Heat of the head and face with flushed cheeks. Chill begins on lips, tip of finger and toes. Worse in a warm room than in an open air. Worse from moving, lessened by sitting. Stitching pain in chest with coughing and desire to lie down in this stage. Symptoms in bryonia in heat stage is with increased thirst, same cough with pleuritic stitches as in chill, increased headache and vertigo, pain in limbs aggravated by motion, nausea and vomiting, dry, burning internal heat as if the blood in the veins was burning, or as if molten lead was running through the blood vessel, such as in arsenic and Rastox. More fever in a warm room than in open air. Aggravation of all the sufferings during the heat. Heat we desire to uncover in face with red face with bitter taste. Wants to be quiet and not move about in any stage. In sweat stage of bryonia, there is profuse sour oily as if mixed with oil, which can be seen in cinchona. Sweat flowed in streams from whole body, even dropping from the head. Sweat in short spells and on a single parts only, which can be seen in petroleum, profuse at night and towards morning. Sweat on side on which he lies, tongue, thick yellow coating on the tongue, mouth and lips dry and peeling off. The next remedy for fever is belladonna. The symptoms of belladonna are no periodicity in fever, where the chill stage is without thirst, chill beginning in both arms at once, spread all over the body. Chill alternating with dry, burning heat, chill with violent, bursting frontal headache, dilated pupils, dread of light and noise, restlessness, pale face when lying down, red face when sitting up, and it is reversed to aconite. Feet ice cold can scarcely be warmed, while face is red, chilliness not relieved by heat of stove. The heat stage in belladonna fever are intense, with great thirst and desire for cold water, yet everything he drinks feels as if too cold. Burning heat within and without, burning heat of the body with extreme distension of the superficial blood vessel, the distended veins lie like cords on the skin, violent bursting headache with strong pulsation of arteries, especially throbbing of the carotids, dilated pupils, very red face, delirium, and restlessness. External coldness of the body and internal burning heat, averse to uncovering, sensitive to light and noise. In sweat stage of belladonna, it will begin at the feet and rising up to head, during heat or immediately after it. Mostly on face and down the nose, on covered parts only, or on covering parts ever too little. Sweat stains linen yellow or dark, smoky odor, profuse sweat with diuresis. Sweat of head, hands, face, which is very red, and feet with burning heat. The tongue is red and dry, with red edges and white coating in the middle. Papillae bright and prominent like scarlatina. The last remedy that we are going to see for fever is China officinalis, which is useful for various type of fever, where tertian or double tertian, quotidian or double quotidian with double quartan. Anticipates from 2 to 3 hours each attack, paroxysm every 7th day, anticipating about 3 hours each succeeding chill. The prodrome for this specific remedy is the patient will have great thirst, canine hunger, nausea, anguish, headache debility, palpitation of the head with anxiety, sneezing when exposed to cold air, and a general feeling of illness. Restless sleep at night before the paroxysm. Chill stage in China is without thirst. Thirst ceases as soon as chill begins. General shaking chill over whole body, beginning in the legs below the knees and increased by drinking. Shivering or chilliness with goose flesh after every swallow of drink. Thirst before or after but not during the chill. Wants to be near the stove but it increased the chill. Internal and violent chill with icy cold hands and feet and congestion of blood to the head. Heat stage in China is without thirst. General heat with distended vein, congested headache, desire to uncover but chilly when uncovered. Chilly when uncovered in any stage of paroxysm is seen in nux vomica. Canine hunger or aversion to food, pain in the region of the liver, back, chest, limbs, dryness of mouth and dry, burning lips, with redness of face and often delirium. Cough dry, spasmodic, fatigue, with pain in both hypochondria at the pit of stomach. Heat of the whole body aggravated by walking. Sensation of heat in abdomen as hot water running down. Sweat stage in China is with great thirst. The first indication of its approach is the return of the thirst which proceeds in chill, but which was absent during the cold and hot stage. Intense thirst during chill and especially during heat is positively contraindicates cinchona. Covered he sweats profusely all over. This he cannot avoid. Although very troublesome, he is so sleepy he cannot get up. Partial, cold, greasy or as if mixed with oil, profuse and debilitating. Sweat on the back or side on which he lies. The patient sweat profusely, especially on the back and neck when he sleeps. The tongue of the patient will be white or yellow, thick and dirty coating. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe our channel Homeopathy TSKM for more homeopathy related videos.